Welcome to today's Nickel Clip. Today's topic is Canvas, how to use Pages, and the Immersive Reader. As always, I am your host, Wendy Vasquez, and this is QUEZ Instruction. First, I'm logging into my Canvas course. These are my courses for my subject areas and my homeroom, and we're going to be logging into my reading course. So when I click on my reading course, I come to my reading landing page. And I want to create a page where my students can click on the owl and read a poem that we're going to be talking about. I have a poem on fireflies that I'd like to use. So the first thing is I'm going to go to Pages, and I'm going to come up here to View All Pages. And now you can see these are some of the pages that I have created. I've opened up my screen a little bit more so that you can see the rest of the pages. I need over here, I'm going to click plus page. This is going to give me a blank page, and I'm going to do a title. So this is a Fireflies poem, and I'm going to type or paste the Fireflies poem right in there. So I've copied it from a Word document that I have off to the side, and I'm just going to paste in this big box. Right here, Fireflies in the Garden. This is a poem I want them to read. I have the directions up here, and then click discussion. I'm going to have a discussion that goes along with this. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. And here's the poem that I want them to read. It's a very short poem, but I'm going to go ahead and save and publish. And I'll create the discussion in another video. However, here comes the best part. I'm going to go home again. And I said I was going to link that right here to the owl. So I'm going to edit this page. And this is how I link pictures to pages. So I'm going to click here, and I could go ahead and just grab the URL, but I made it a page right in here. So I'm just going to click on Fireflies poem. That's created a link, and I'm going to save. Actually, I want it to open in another tab. I don't want it to open over this page because my kids get lost. So I'm going to hit edit one more time. I'm going to click on the owl, and I'm going to hold down the keys. I'm going to do a key combination, Control K. That gives me this window, and I can change here and say I want it in a new window. So now when they click on that, it will save, go, it will open in a new window. So I am going home. I'm going into my student view. I'm going to click, and here's the poem. Here's the best part. This is Immersive Reader. Now my county has gone ahead and put this on with all of our Canvas. If you don't have this, you might want to talk to your IT people or your district. If I click on Immersive Reader, it opens up the whole page into a new document. And I've just stretched out my screen a little bit. And what it does, one thing it does is it reads this poem to me. So down here, it's hard to see because the pink student view thing is here, but there's a little play button. And if I click on this play button,
Fireflies poem. Read the following poem and then click discussion. Fireflies in the Garden.
So I have it set really fast. There's a button here that'll toggle. I can change it from a male to a female voice. I can change the speed from rabbit fast to turtle slow, or anywhere in between. And now when I click on the word, oh, by the way, I have it set to Russian because I have a Russian student. This will say the word in Russian to my student. So it reads the word out, and it'll read the poem to my children. In addition to this, if I come over here and I click on Reading Preferences, I can turn on and off the picture dictionary. I can change the language. So I have a lot of Portuguese students. And here's what it does. If I've got this Portuguese student, I can change the entire document into their language. So I can click between the original and the Portuguese. And now if I pick on certain pictures, I don't know, did I turn that off? I think I turned it off. Yeah, I turned off the picture dictionary. But it'll actually go ahead and show me pictures of some of the words. So here it is in Spanish. And they have 3 different kinds of Spanish, 2 different kinds of Portuguese, 4 different kinds of French. And now you'll see it has even some pictures for the words. Something else it has, which I absolutely love, I'm going to turn off document. It'll do word by word, right? It'll give you the definition. But it has this grammar option, which I thoroughly love. When I click on this, it'll give me the syllables. So here it will actually tell me how many syllables. You can see that this has 2 syllables. It breaks it up by syllables. I don't have a lot of multisyllabic words here, but if I did, here we go, emulating. So it tells me where the word is broken up by syllables. In addition, I can color code all the nouns. I have it to show the labels. You can turn the labels on or off. So those are all the nouns. Here's all the verbs. Here's all the adjectives. Here's all the adverbs. And I can go ahead and do a quick grammar lesson using this Immersive Reader. And then I can always go back into the poem and back home. So this was a very long nickel clip, but it was fantastic. I love my pages and I love Immersive Reader. Please subscribe below for other quick nickel clips, 5-minute teacher tutorials with Wendy Vasquez and QU Easy Instruction.